This is a little mermaid from Sideshow Collectibles. It's one of the J. Scott Campbell figures. This is the one you get through their web store online, directly from them. I also got the store version only. A few people have already run into this. This one is worse than the previous one I got. The arms don't line up right here properly. My other one actually had a piece of paper that says to take the figure, set it in the arms, and then push down until you hear it pop into place. But let me show you something. Her arms are in perfect right there. Let me see if we can, let me get some light on this. Look at how far out that is on the back. The only thing you're going to hear popping is probably that arm. So what I did with the other one, and Sideshow actually said that if it broke doing this, they would replace it in an email. Not to me, to somebody else that I was conversing with on the forums. You can heat the arms up if you feel safe doing this, and then you get them soft enough, and then you can put her into place and let it cool, and this won't be a problem. You can pull her on and off, and it'll line up just perfect. I am using, this is a gun for putting on material onto model airplanes. It does cloth, it does what they call monocoat, color coat, unicoat. There's all kinds of coverings out there. This thing gets really hot. I suppose you could do this with a hairdryer if you held it on there long enough, but so I'm going to do it with this, and we'll see how it turns out, and hopefully anybody running into the problem with their figure with the arms not lining up, this will be the fix for you. This gun gets really hot. If you hold it on too long in one spot, you'll start melting it. And that's it. I'll let her cool down and then make a quick video of see how it comes in and out. Okay, so it's been about 15 minutes. I let it sit good. Again, you might be able to get the same results with a hairdryer. It'll just take you a lot longer. Before, I didn't get a video of it. I should have. Her bracelets literally were sitting like right here. See if I can zoom in on that spot. So that when I got it, that's about where the bracelets were sitting. Now that it's been heated up, just set it in there. She's sitting in the base right where she needs to be. So there's your fix. Hope this helps some people out.